Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure this equation is balanced, and it already is. And what we're going to do is we're going to use 50 grams of aluminum chloride and figure out what mass we need for ammonium chloride. So first you're going to take 50 grams of aluminum chloride, and then you're going to multiply that times 1 mole of aluminum chloride times 133.341 grams of aluminum chloride, and you can get that when you multiply 3 times Cl and you add aluminum, and we're going to do that so that way we can cancel out the grams. So then you get 0.375 moles when you round with sig figs of AlCl3, and then you're going to take this number right here, 0.375 moles of aluminum chloride, and then you're going to multiply that times 3 moles of ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, over 1 mole of aluminum chloride, because you want to get rid of aluminum chloride. And you get the 3 moles from the NH4 up here, and aluminum chloride has like an invisible one right there. So when you multiply that, you get 1.125 moles of ammonium chloride, so it's NH4Cl. So then you finally take this number, 1.125 moles of NH4Cl, and then you multiply that times 1 mole of NH4Cl, and then when you add, you add nitrogen plus 4 times hydrogen plus Cl, you get 53.492 grams of NH4Cl, and then when you multiply, the moles cancel out, so then you get 60.2 grams NH4Cl, and that's your answer. And now you need to find the mass of aluminum nitrate. So you use what you had, use the same equation from up top before, so you do 50.0 grams of aluminum chloride times 1 mole of aluminum chloride over 133.341 grams of aluminum chloride, so that way they cancel out, and you get the same thing as 0.375 moles of aluminum chloride. So you take that number, 0.375 moles, and then you multiply that times 1 mole of aluminum nitrate, NO3, over 1 mole of aluminum chloride. And you take the 1 mole because aluminum chloride has 1 mole, and then there's 1 mole of aluminum chloride, and aluminum nitrate has 1 mole as well. So then you get the same thing, 0.375 moles, but now it's moles of aluminum nitrate, AlNO3, subscript 3. And you take that number, 0.375 moles of aluminum nitrate, and you multiply that with 1 mole of aluminum nitrate. So then when you're multiplying, you get aluminum from the periodic table, and then you add 3 times nitrogen, and then 3 times 3 is 9 oxygen, and you should get around 212.994, and that's grams of aluminum nitrate. And then you get 79.87 grams of aluminum nitrate, and that is your answer.